and are you excited? Well, I am. I'm going all around the city, Mumbai, with my cameraman Benji, and we're going to find out about our city's youth and what they have to say about how they would want to change Mumbai. It's all about
You can change Mumbai.
We have a lot of youth that we're going to meet today. I'm excited, so let's go ahead and watch what they have to say. Come on, let's go.
Hi, I'm Leon. I'm Sanjeev.
Lisa, Leanne and Nicole, what's one thing you don't like about Mumbai city?
One would be the hygiene problem.
It's overcrowded.
Yeah, too much of crowd.
Basically, the traffic is a big pain nowadays. I mean, to get from one side to another takes a lot of time.
People keep on spitting around the road and
That's disgusting.
there's a lot of traffic problem. You can see many potholes and stuff over here.
And how would you come across a solution for this problem? What is one thing you would do?
Go around planting more trees and make it a green Mumbai.
Well, if we planted trees, they would definitely get cut down because there's no place for anyone to stay here. But I guess the only thing to do is keep making people aware.
As for me, I'm not boasting, but I don't dirty the place around. I'm quite eco-friendly.
Wow, that's
For the traffic jams, the best thing would be to, I don't know, keep certain timings for certain vehicles.
Different cars, so different color of the car, on one day.
Create more job opportunities, something like that.
I also want to ask one question. What do you want to change about yourself?
The attitude against people.
Be a better human, probably.
Well, there's nothing really to change. I guess I just try to be better at whatever I do now.
Same thing, be better at what we do.
Well, I would like to be a little more eco-friendly. Probably get more involved in running the city, as in small things like planting trees or basically stopping people from littering the place. Is making a difference basically. And I would study lesser this year, but I would be more punctual. Change what you do.
Well, Bombay is a city of dreams. People come here with great expectations. लेकिन इस शहर में बहुत सारे problems हैं. And solution तो is with the youth, I think. So let's go and find out and check out some youth of the city and what they have to say about the problems and solutions to this city, Mumbai. What's one thing you don't like about Mumbai city?
I don't like the pollution and the traffic.
The current regionalism that is going on in Mumbai.
People just use you for work and all, so that's what I don't like. They just come to you and they walk away, only when work is there.
15-minute journey takes more than 45 minutes at time.
The traffic is pretty irritating.
Crime, the increasing crime out there, people stressed out, the educational system, many things.
Excessive flooding of people from all over India villages.
The pollution is increasing day by day. There are people who are cutting plants and they are building buildings which shouldn't be there in order to decrease pollution.
Studies का pressure बहुत ज़्यादा है. On top of that, parents का pressure होता है.
The change in the education system stresses out us. We get stressed out pretty soon. Too much of things to do.
This is one thing I'm going to do today to change Mumbai. What would that be?
Save water.
Save water.
And electricity.
I want to be the Chancellor of Mumbai University.
Help someone.
Try to make more friends and interact and make them have a feeling of friendship and get Mumbai back first.
Free hugs in Bombay. I would like to do something like that.
We should plant more trees and see to it that no extra constructions are done in unwanted places.
Reduce the pressure of studies means it should be a little bit lenient, not that much strict. Especially for science, attendance should be lenient because in college we don't study anything. So it's better if we sit at home and study.
What is one thing you want to change about yourself?
To be frank, I'm lazy. I will change that. I am just scared. I have no clue what am I doing now. I got to get into engineering and I don't know where I'm standing. It's time to start working hard, which is not happening actually.
I would like to increase my own self-confidence by doing things and making other people trust me.
I'm very arrogant and stubborn, so I just want to cut down on that.
I'd like to quit smoking.
Keep myself a bit less on saying and I'll try to do more.
You can change Mumbai.